Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Click the first link in the description. It's going to take you to where you can connect to WhatsApp web or download the app. When you download the app, it's going to get the package from Microsoft Store. So you don't need to actually log into your Microsoft Store to install it. After the WhatsApp is successfully installed, you can now use WhatsApp web or use your number to log into your account. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.